Starting a fashion brand is an exciting journey filled with creativity, passion, and a dash of business savvy. Today, we'll explore how you can kick off your own fashion brand and make your mark in the fashion world. First off, what's your vision? Think about what makes your brand unique. Are you passionate about sustainable fashion or maybe vintage-inspired pieces? Your vision will be the heart of your brand, so take time to define it clearly. Next, let's talk about research. You've got to understand the market. Who are your competitors? What are the current trends? This will help you figure out where your brand fits and who your target customers are. Remember, knowledge is power. Once you have that down, it's time to create a killer business plan. This plan is your roadmap. It includes everything from your brand's mission to your marketing strategy and financials. It might sound daunting, but breaking it down into smaller steps makes it manageable. Now, let's chat about the fun part. Design. This is where your creativity shines. Think about your brand's signature style and start sketching your ideas. Whether you're doing this yourself or hiring a designer, ensure your designs reflect your brand's unique vibe. After you've got your designs, it's time to find a manufacturer. Look for someone who aligns with your quality standards and budget. This step can take time, so be patient and thorough in your search. Next, think about your packaging. Packaging can be a reflection of your brand's identity and add a special touch to your customer experience. Whether it's eco-friendly materials or luxury finishes, it's an opportunity to impress your customers right from the moment they receive your product. Branding is next on the list. Your logo, website, and social media presence need to tell your brand story. Consistency is key here. Make sure everything from the colors to the tone of voice aligns with your vision. Once your branding is set, think about how you'll get your products to your customers. Will you sell online, in physical stores, or both? Set up your distribution channels based on what best suits your brand. Legal stuff might not be glamorous, but it's essential. Ensure your brand is legally protected by registering your business and trademarks. LegalRegistration.com can help you sort this out smoothly. Finally, don't forget about marketing. Social media, PR, and collaborations can spread the word about your brand. Engage with your audience and build a community around your fashion line. Starting your own fashion brand is a journey full of challenges and rewards. Keep your vision clear, stay inspired, and adapt as you go along. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips on building your brand. And remember, LegalRegistration.com is here to support your business journey every step of the way. Reach out to us at LegalRegistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111. Happy fashion designing!